Hi guys, today I'm doing a tutorial on beach curls. I'm using a 1.5-inch curling iron by Hot Tools. I'm alternating the curling iron so that the curls won't be so uniformed, but they will look natural, like somebody with naturally wavy hair. Look how bouncy her hair is. I sprayed NEXXUS medium hold on it to give it a hold, but not a crunchy hold. Isn't she lovely? Thanks for tuning in. See you again soon. And remember, be nothing short of glamorous. Follow me on Instagram at The Glamour Box.